Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beautiful pink luxury haul for you, which is very fitting for the month of October because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month and we all know that the pink ribbon is the symbol for breast cancer awareness. So I have some beautiful goodies that I picked up that I have to share with you. You are going to die. So let's start this haul with the sponsor of this video, which is Rose Forever New York. Look at this. There is no better way to start a pink luxury haul than with pink roses, right? In case you haven't heard of Rose Forever, they are based in New York. They make these incredible flower arrangements. These are natural roses, guys. Their arrangements of real roses will last you an entire year, okay? They have so many different colors, different shades of pink. Look at this. How luxurious is this in beautiful black velvet? You know that I have this beautiful closet which is kind of like my woman cave, and I want to have a center island in my closet, and guess what's going on top of my island? This arrangement. What a perfect gift idea for birthday, anniversary, for no occasion at all. Which woman wouldn't love to get something like this as a present? And actually they have an event going on right now called the Rose Forever Pink October, and they have partnered with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and for each bouquet of pink roses they will be donating $2 for breast cancer research. And here's what I love about these. Normally you will spend a fortune on a regular bouquet of roses. They will last you a couple weeks and that's it. This right here will last you an entire year. So if you are interested in these amazing roses from Rose Forever, click the link in my description box below. There is a coupon Erica20 for $20 off your bouquet. So let's continue this haul with some Hermes, and this was actually a surprise gift from my husband. He just showed up at the house with this for no reason whatsoever, and I'm not complaining, okay? So let me open it. Little pouch, and check this out. It's a pink Hermes bracelet. I am obsessed, and this is a brand new style that actually has a lock in the center instead of the letter H, which I love. I already have the H. I think this is perfect for stacking. So let me open it for you. You lift the lock a little bit and bam, look at the detail of the lock. I love this lock from Hermes. This is the clochette that you would see in a Birkin bag, and I think it is so beautiful, and I love that it is new and it is pink. So let me put it on. It will match so many of my outfits because you guys know I'm a pink lover. I am super into stacking my bracelets like crazy, stacking lots of earrings on my piercings, stacking necklaces. I am mixing high and low, so I am buying actually like inexpensive fashion jewelry. I am mixing it up with my Van Cleef, with my Hermes, because I think the look right now is very extravagant. If you are looking for a very relevant, modern, youthful jewelry look right now, you are going to be rocking stacks in your ears, in your neck. So I like to mix high and low. I've been purchasing a lot of HRH collection jewelry. Her jewelry is so beautiful. It's fashion jewelry, and mixing it up with my high-end jewelry, and I just feel so cool when I have like these crazy stacks going on. So my bracelet is going to be perfect. Next on this haul we have Dior. Let me show you what I got. You can already tell these are sunglasses, right? But these are not just any sunglasses, okay? Check these out. Are you ready to die? Sit down, honey. Sit down so you don't pass out, okay? But hello. Oh my god, I got like the superstar celebrity Dior sunglasses, and I am feeling myself. I have to be careful here to show you this properly because it's obviously reflecting all of my lighting, right? But it is white. It says Christian Dior here on the side, and I feel like I am a superstar. I am a celebrity. I have arrived. Okay, because who wants to buy sunglasses not to arrive? Okay, so here's the story with these sunglasses. I went to Miami and I wanted some superstar celebrity style sunglasses because you know what? Life is too short to be boring, okay? I have like the black, classic, and all of that. I said, I want to go to Miami and I want to walk in a store in the design district and I want people to look and be like, who is she? Where are the paparazzi? Okay? This is what I wanted. I wanted like the wow factor, okay? I tried the Louis Vuitton Millionaires, which were absolutely incredible. If I could, I would have bought both of them, but I couldn't because I spent money buying a bag, which was my Louis Vuitton Cousin that you guys saw. So I had to pick and choose. And the Millionaires are absolutely incredible. They are like $800, but these are like a notch above. Photos that I take with these sunglasses, they all look amazing because they reflect everything. I cannot even tell you. Go to my Instagram, go check out the photos I took with these sunglasses and let me know what you think. Okay, I am just obsessed. I mean, you probably can tell. Let's talk about the next thing on my haul, which is actually a very inexpensive item. But this is a pink haul and this is pink and I bought it and I thought it looked so cute with the styling that I had to show you. You know I do high and low. I love luxury, but I think it's important for you to mix with different things. Unless you are a major baller and you can buy everything 100% designer, good for you, girl, okay? I want to be like you when I grow up, but I am not there yet. So I mix high and low, nothing wrong with that, okay? So I bought these pink joggers from Misguided, okay? Check this out, how pretty. I actually bought it in several different colors. And I bought this with the intent of styling it with my Louis Vuitton swimsuit. So my Louis Vuitton swimsuit has tones of pink and yellow and a white trim, and I wanted to do kind of like an ice cream look, you know, with the swimsuit and then the joggers and then the Louis Vuitton sneakers. I thought it would look so cool. I found this and I was so excited because they have regular length and they have tall. I am 5'8", and a lot of these pants, you know, especially when it comes to high street fashion, they are just too short on me. And these guys, the quality is so nice. They are so thick, totally worth the price of admission, and they were so inexpensive. And now more Dior on this pink haul. Let's do this first. It doesn't have a box. It was actually shipped to me. I have a story. I always have stories about everything, right? You know I'm a talker. But check this out. Pink, okay, from Dior. Look at this skirt. Look at this skirt. Is this a little cupcake or what? Oh my Lord, okay? Obsessed. I love oblique. I always wanted to have oblique print in pink because back in the day when I was really poor, I remember the days of Paris Hilton, and she would be wearing that light baby pink oblique that was in probably early 2000s, and I would see like in the Dior windows, you know, all of the baby pink oblique, and I couldn't afford anything. So that has become a trauma for me. I am a traumatized woman, okay? So I had to heal this trauma by buying this now that they launched it in pink again, okay? So let's go to the next piece. Right here again. There we go. And it is the jacket. Check this out. Oh, look at the detail on the back. It says Christian Dior. It has the zipper on the sleeve, so you can open the zipper. I love that it has a zipper on the front as well, because you can make it cute and sexy by opening the zipper as low as you want it. You can wear stuff underneath and just, you know, wear it open as a jacket. It also has a pocket here. There you go. And then here you have the tag, Christian Dior. So let me tell you about these pieces, okay? I had to sell my soul to the luxury gods in order to score these pieces. And you guys know I'm in Miami all the time. I love the Dior Miami team. They are amazing. I get very lucky that I'm typically able to score the exclusive pieces with them. I know them for a long time. But this was different. This collection was part of a series of pop-up events that Dior had throughout about California. They were not available all over the country. They did not come to Miami. So there were exclusive pop-ups. There was LA, there was Santa Barbara. So here's what happened. Obviously, those locations have the local sales associates. They reserved everything for their VIP clients over there, and the rest of the country didn't get them. We got the list of these items months before they were released. We talked to our SA here. Me and Val reserved what we wanted. We couldn't pay because typically on pre-order you have to pay, but on this collection they were not accepting payments, but we thought we made our pre-order, right? Anyway, the collection arrives. It's nowhere to be found in Miami or New York, only at the pop-up stores. Very small quantities. Vast majority went to the VIP clients in those locations, and the rest of the country couldn't get it. I had lost hope, to be 100% honest. We had talked to our SA, we had called people, like nothing. After asking everybody, all of my connections, done deal, I'm not gonna be able to get it. One day I am talking to a friend on Instagram and he says, you know, let me take a look for you just in case. I will look at this stock that is going to open. There was a store that was going to open in LA, so there was still some stock available because the store hadn't opened yet, the pop-up. So he looks and he says, there is one jacket that I can get for you. That's it, on your size. It's the last piece. I said, oh my gosh, I want it. So he was able to get the jacket for me, even though what I really wanted was the skirt, because I wear skirts like crazy. But I was like, okay, I cannot get anything. I'm gonna get one piece, right? So I got the jacket. The jacket was $24.50, and I was like, it would be amazing to get the set, but I mean, there was no way I was gonna be able to score the skirt, right? A friend of mine on Instagram, because I had posted, you know, crazy that I wanted this stuff, that I wanted the skirt, and this friend of mine from Palm Beach sends me a message and says, Erica, my SA at the pop-up in California has one in your size, one skirt. Do you want it? And I was like, oh my God, I flipped out because I was like, you have to have the set. For it to look right, it has to be the set. So thank you so much for helping me score this, Karen. Karen helped me get this. And when I got the skirt, my dreams came true. You look like a flipping Barbie wearing the set, okay? I was feeling like Paris Hilton, okay? Erica Hilton, going back on my early 2000 days, okay? When I was cute and young. I hear ramblings that they are going to come out with an oblique in baby pink. Now I just got a sneak peek of a collection that is being released in January. Actually, Mandy, a friend from Instagram that is in Europe, just posted a sneak preview of these bags, and look at these pink bags. I am dying. I never wanted a mini book tote because I don't think it's all that practical, but in this color, oh my God. Can you imagine this bag with this set? I'm gonna die. It is going to arrive here, I think January, February time frame. So I'm already going insane. And I also saw that Dior is releasing this beautiful blue book tote. Look at this blue oblique. I am loving the colors that they are releasing now because they are like more like the pastel girly colors, so baby blue, baby pink. But guys, I am so happy with my haul. Pink is my favorite color. You know I'm girly. I am Erica's Girly World, right? So there you have it. I have to wrap up my haul with my beautiful roses from Rose Forever in New York. Again, if you want to have this piece of heaven in your home for an entire year, beautiful roses, go check out their website. Go to the link in my description box. Get the $20 off from my coupon code. You will not regret it. This is pure luxury, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.